Looking for a reliable and feature-rich Forex broker to take your trading to the next level? In this video, we're having a look at FP Markets, a broker that's been a trusted name in the industry since 2005, known for its strong regulation, award-winning platforms, and access to a wide range of markets. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. FP Markets is a trusted global Forex and CFD broker, founded in 2005 and regulated by top authorities including the ASIC, CySEC, and the FSCA. With over 60 international awards, it's recognized for transparency, value, and reliable service. Traders can access more than 10,000 instruments, with spreads starting from 0 pips and leverage up to 1 to 500. Offering powerful tools like MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, its own mobile app, and more, FP Markets combines fast execution, deep liquidity, and strong support with educational resources to give traders the complete package. The broker gives traders access to more than 10,000 instruments across a wide range of global markets. You can trade more than 70 Forex pairs, from majors to exotics, plus thousands of share CFDs from major exchanges including the Nasdaq, New York Stock Exchange, and LSE. The broker also offers leading global indices like the S&P 500, Nasdaq 100, and FTSE 100, alongside commodities such as gold, silver, oil, and coffee. Traders can diversify further with precious metals, bonds, ETFs, and even top cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. With such an extensive selection, FP Markets provides everything from traditional markets to modern digital assets, making it a complete trading solution for any style of trader. FP Markets stands out as a highly regulated broker with oversight from several reputable global authorities. FP Markets operates under the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, offering key protections like client fund segregation, independent audits, and negative balance protection for local traders. The broker is also regulated by Australia's ASIC, Cyprus's CYSEC, the Seychelles FSA, the Mauritius FSC, and even holds registrations in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, though regulatory protection may vary by jurisdiction. This multi-jurisdictional approach ensures robust compliance, global transparency, and enhanced safety for traders worldwide. The broker doesn't offer the usual sign-up or deposit bonuses. These are often restricted due to their regulatory obligations. However, they do run a referral program where you can earn a bonus once someone you refer opens an account, deposits, and trades a minimum volume. For example, referring a client who deposits $1,000 and trades 5 lots nets you a $100 bonus, scaling higher with larger deposits and volumes, though there's a limit of 3 referrals per year. The broker delivers a powerful suite of trading platforms tailored to every trader's needs. You can choose from the highly popular MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, both packed with advanced charting tools, indicators, expert advisors, automated trading capabilities, and lightning-fast execution. With seamless navigation across global markets, as well as the intuitive WebTrader, cTrader, TradingView, and their very own mobile trading application. Whether you're on desktop, in your browser, or on the go, these platforms offer the flexibility, speed, and insights traders need to stay ahead. FP Markets offers powerful mobile trading platforms through the FP Markets application, as well as MetaTrader 4, 5, cTrader, and TradingView mobile versions. Traders can access a variety of instruments, all with real-time pricing, one-click trading, and customizable layouts. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these mobile platforms make it easy to trade anytime, anywhere. The broker also provides 2 effective copy trading options. AutoTrade, powered by MyFXBook, allows you to automatically replicate the trades of top-performing systems directly into your MetaTrader 4 account, with no extra software required and full risk management features. Social Trading lets you follow and copy experienced traders in real time, with access to performance rankings, strategy details, and adjustable risk settings. This makes it simple for beginners or traders looking to diversify to leverage the expertise of professionals while maintaining control over their accounts. FP Markets offers two main trading account types to suit different trading styles, which include the standard account and the raw account. The standard account features commission-free trading with spreads starting from 1 pip, making it ideal for beginners or those who prefer simplicity. The raw account provides direct access to raw spreads from liquidity providers starting from 0.0 pips, with a commission of $3 per side per standard lot, catering to more experienced traders seeking tighter spreads and greater control over trading costs. Both of their account types are available on all of their platforms, and the broker also offers Islamic swap-free accounts for traders who require them. Whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced trader, FP Markets has an account type to fit your needs. Additionally, the broker offers a risk-free demo account that mirrors live market conditions, allowing you to practice trading strategies without using real money. Available on platforms like MetaTrader 4, 5, and cTrader, the demo account provides access to over 10,000 instruments. You can customize your account with different leverage settings and virtual funds up to $100,000, whether you're a beginner learning the ropes or an experienced trader testing new strategies. Their demo account is an invaluable tool for honing your skills in a realistic yet risk-free environment. Creating an account with FP Markets is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Start Trading button. The next step would be to open your trading account. Fill out your information such as your name, email address, and create a password. Additionally, you can simply open a demo account. The next step after you have opened your preferred trading account type and verified your credentials, you can then download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with FP Markets. At the top left of the dashboard, you have your market watch. You can switch between all of the broker's available market instruments directly from this panel. In the center of the dashboard, you have your trading chart. At the top of the chart, a variety of tools, chart types, and indicators to help you customize your chart according to your preferences. If you are new to trading and are new to any of the broker's trading platforms, FP Markets provides a wide variety of helpful educational videos to help you understand the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. FP Markets offers a range of secure and convenient deposit and withdrawal options to suit different traders' needs. You can fund your account using credit and debit cards, bank wire transfers, e-wallets like Neteller, Skrill, PayPal, as well as cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. Deposits are typically processed instantly, allowing you to start trading without delay. For withdrawals, FP Markets ensures that funds are returned to the same method used for deposits, maintaining security and compliance. Processing times may vary depending on the method, with e-wallets often being the fastest. Please note that FP Markets does not charge fees for processing deposits or withdrawals, however, payment providers might charge fees. The broker offers a comprehensive suite of educational tools to support traders at every level. Through the FP Markets Academy, you can gain access to a range of resources, including structured trading courses, live webinars, podcasts, and platform tutorials. These materials cover various topics from basic trading concepts to advanced strategies, helping you build a solid foundation and enhance your trading skills. Additionally, the Trading Knowledge Hub provides in-depth guides on technical and fundamental analysis, economic calendars, and trading calculators, allowing you to stay informed and make well-informed trading decisions. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, their educational resources are designed to help you succeed in the financial markets. The broker also provides comprehensive market insights through its Traders Hub, featuring daily reports, technical analysis, and macroeconomic updates. Their First Light News delivers early morning briefings, highlighting key global events and economic data releases. The Levels of the Day series offers actionable support and resistance levels for major instruments. Additionally, the Pattern Pulse identifies emerging technical patterns, assisting traders in making informed decisions. For broader market perspectives, the Market Insights section covers weekly outlooks on indices and commodities. Whether you're a day trader or a long-term investor, FP Markets equips you with the tools to stay ahead in the markets. Over the years of operation, the broker has garnered multiple industry accolades, underscoring its commitment to excellence in online trading. At the 2025 Online Money Awards, the broker was honored as the best Forex provider and recognized for offering the best trading tools, earlier at the Finder Forex Awards in 2024. FP Markets also secured 3 awards, including the Best Overall Broker, Best for Australian Dollar to US Dollar, and Best for Gold CFD Trading. Additionally, the broker received 4 commendations in various categories, including the Best Mobile Forex Trading Application and Best for Beginners. These recognitions reflect the broker's dedication to providing traders with top-tier trading conditions, advanced tools, and exceptional customer support. Overall, FP Markets is a broker that has built a reputation for reliability, transparency, and innovation over nearly 2 decades. From its global regulation under the ASIC, SISEC, and the FSCA, to its access to over 10,000 instruments, FP Markets provides the tools traders need to succeed. Whether you're a beginner using the demo account, or a professional leveraging raw spreads on MetaTrader 4, 5, or cTrader, or someone looking to copy experienced traders through auto trade or social trading, FP Markets offers flexible solutions to match your trading style. Add to that the comprehensive educational resources, timely market analysis, advanced mobile and desktop platforms, as well as competitive funding options, and it's clear why FP Markets has won multiple industry awards and continues to earn trust worldwide. So if you're looking for a broker that combines global experience, robust technology, and a trader-first approach, FP Markets stands out as a top choice for your trading journey. And that is our overview of FP Markets. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.